Good morning. This is your mid-morning forecast. I'm Tanner Cate, and this morning as we're waking up, we are noticing a big difference in the temperatures. Look across the area here: 54 in Memphis and 58 in Tupelo, 61 there in Columbus, and we're just seeing about a 15-degree difference between yesterday morning and this morning. And these colder temperatures will continue in the next couple of days, especially today. We'll see temperatures not even getting into the 70s. Around 3 p.m. we'll see 67 degrees, upper 60s will be the warmest we'll get across central Mississippi, and then dropping down tonight 11 p.m. we'll see 56 degrees, but the low temperatures will be a lot lower in the next couple of days. I'll tell you more about that later. But across the area right now, we see a cloud setup that's kind of moving through spreading out from here to the south across to the northeast, and you can almost see this drawn out with the radar images that's coming up. You see there you go. It's a strong band of storms. They moved through this morning, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, and these storms are continuing to move down a little south. They'll begin to dissipate in the south, but they'll be moving on to the east, so clearing out of our area. So not much of a chance of precipitation as we move on next couple of days. And here's your setup that we saw with these storms. There's that cold front that kind of is pushing through here. It'll continue throughout the day, push through the southeast, and into tomorrow we'll see a similar pattern. That cold front, yes, it will be sunny, but it will be cool across this area. That cold front will be moving farther into the east, and this is setting up our pattern for the next couple of days. We'll see today, highs only reaching into 68 degrees. A big thing to notice will be the winds are coming from the north-northwest of 10 to 15 miles an hour. Very strong sometimes, could be 25 degrees, so be careful when it comes across that today. And tonight, like I said earlier, 39 degrees is a lot colder than what we've seen the last couple of days. I think yesterday morning it was 70 degrees. So if you take note of this, it's going to be chilly. Make sure you bring a jacket wherever you go throughout the night tonight. But tomorrow, we're not seeing much of a change in warmer temperatures. Yes, it's going to stay chilly. So 62 degrees, God, that's a lot colder than what we've seen recently. But it will be sunny, so you can possibly get outside and enjoy the weather. One thing I want to keep you noticed with is the 7-day forecast here. We see colder temperatures across the 7-day planner here, Thursday and Friday. We'll see a dip down into the 50s going into Friday, but take note of those lows. That's a big change for this setup that we've been experiencing the last 2 weeks. It's a lot colder in the upper 30s, and we'll be taking notice of that late spring freeze. Sunday morning could be seeing temperatures at the freezing point and getting ready for Easter on Sunday.